everybody! Today's video, I'm doing a full body strength workout. This is going to be EMOM style, which stands for every minute on the minute. Each exercise will be 40 seconds long with a 20-second break. So grab some weights, grab some water, and let's get started. For this first exercise, we're doing alternating single arm overhead extensions with a squat rotation. Okay, get ready and begin. Squat and add that overhead press, adding a small rotation with that toe and the back knee. Inhale on the way down, exhale when you press back up. Get a nice full extension with those arms and keep the abs engaged and the back straight. Keep it going, you're almost there. Sink back in those heels and really fully extend those arms. Great job, about 10 seconds left. Stay with it. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. You did it, good job. Coming up, we have lateral lunges with front raises. Alternating the legs side to side, you're shifting the weight to the outside leg. To modify this, instead of both arms doing the front raise, do alternating arms instead. You can also make the lateral lunge a little bit shorter movement. Get ready and begin. Big step to the side and raise those arms to the front, keeping the palms facing in. Even though the arms are straight, make sure to keep a soft bend in those elbows. Remember, you're shifting the weight side to side towards that outside leg. Drive through the heels on the ground and really extend that inside leg. Doing such a great job, keep going. Remember, if you get fatigued, modify the movement with the upper body and do alternating arms instead. Come on, last few seconds right here. Finish this up in 3, 2, 1, and stop. For this exercise, we're doing knee lifts to work the abs. Think about driving the knee all the way up to the chest. We'll do one side first and then repeat the other. Okay, pick a side that you want to start with. I'm doing my left leg first. Bring the arms up, engage the core, and let's begin. Bring that knee all the way up towards the chest and really crunch the abdominals. Focus on the balance and pull the arms in strong. Make sure the base leg knee is kept soft. Keep breathing through the entire movement. Come on, you've got this. Strong all the way to the end. Drive that knee all the way up. You have about 10 seconds left. Great work. Keep it going. Last 4, 3, 2, and stop. You did it. All right, walk it out for 20 seconds. Get ready for the other side. Ready, set, and begin. Bring that other knee all the way up to the chest and pull the arms down strong. Remember to keep a soft bend in that base leg. Exhale when that knee comes up. Inhale when the leg extends down. You're doing such a great job. Keep it going strong. You're almost done. Continue with that same great form that you started with. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. You did it. Good job. For this next exercise, we're going to do an upper body combo for your back and your biceps. You're going to hinge forward and do 2 low rows, and then stand up and do 2 hammer curls, keeping the elbows nice and tight on both movements. Let's get into position, bend the knees and hinge forward, and start. 2 low rows, then stand, and 2 hammer curls. So remember to keep the abs tight to support the back and keep the back nice and flat, especially on the rows. Keep those elbows nice and tight on the rows and on the hammer curls. Don't forget to breathe. You're doing such a great job. Knees are softly bent, nice and smooth and controlled movements. You have about 10 seconds left. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. For this exercise, we're going to go in a low sumo squat and then kick the arms out for a tricep extension. The alternative is to do alternating arms for the triceps. Let's go ahead and get into position. Set those feet nice and wide and begin. Keep the elbows nice and high, do your upright row, and then extend both arms to the side. For the squat, think about driving through the heels and keeping the weight back. Good. Inhale when you go down, extend those arms, and then bring it up. You've got this. Good. As you get tired, try not to let those elbows fall below the shoulder level. Remember your option, you can always do alternating arms. Keep it going. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop.
Thank you so much for following along. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Allyfitatl. And also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl. See you next time.